Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I got mine in the color Pacific Blue, and I got the 512 gigabyte storage option. So let's get to opening. So here's the phone itself. I like how it has kind of like a matte back. Here's the phone. So this is new, having this sheet here. Power button, the mute and the volume up and down, SIM card. Let's peel this off. And let's power it on. So obviously, from now on, Apple's not going to be sending the brick anymore. They're just sending the cord, which is also why the box is a lot smaller. So obviously it comes with the lightning cable, the normal paperwork wrap. So yeah, this is the phone. Nice. And then I'll show you that. And this has this is my 11 Pro Max, and this has this does have a case on it. I got the same type of case for this phone. So if you compare the phones, so yeah, there you go.